Okay, I hope that everything is set up nicely and working properly. So, welcome guys into my second streaming. The motive of this streaming is basic, so we can get an idea that how we write production ready code. And first I've decided to create an application from scratch, another application, but then I decided that I should work on already existed some applications. So I will start working on an application that I have in my local computer, and that application is Keyboard application, and that is a platform basically supported for online end-to-end real-time communication and social media marketing pipeline sportage, so people can engage with their friends, with their social circle, and can share the activities and can chat to other people as well. So I have written all the algorithms and all the patterns, all the workflows that I have used in the backend, and now I have some tasks in my pending list, so that I decided to complete in this live session, and that basically includes I have to work on some modes, the modes like that at the current time the user is like accepting messages or not. So I will basically starting writing there. Okay, so I have to work on these two modes. The first one we have uh, is the user is accepting messages on oral network, and the second one is user is showing his identity or not. Okay, so we have to work on these two operations. So what we need to do is basically we should start working on some APIs. We will call some APIs, then we will manage their responses and errors if some we got into the proper states using different hooks, and then we will render the results on the onto the UI. So for that I have to start working by writing some API calls. Uh, so let me make the things ready. So first I will open my work terminal and I will check where I am right now. So yeah, I am into the code directly code, and I will I'm not going to use any AI software that can generate code from me. I will write plain production code, so you people can get the confidence to write code by their own. Okay, so let me check the git status. Okay, I have some changes here, so let's do working on this. So okay, now I have some API calls for these two operations. So I will call them and check the results, so we can accordingly make some states and can manage into the hooks. So let's see what we got into the results section for these two APIs. Okay, I have opened my Requestly API software, from where I can get the logs from these current two APIs. So wait. Okay. Let me run this project first. I am using a package manager that is Yearn. So I will start the project from the root, and the project is running onto the port 3003. Okay, let's do some wait here. Okay, so I can run this project, and I have to connect to the PowerShell. With that, I will open my PowerShell, and I will check that I already have Mongoose in my computer. Okay, uh, okay, I misspelled it. Okay, Yeah, I have Mongo Shell installed in my PC. Let me clear the terminal and connect my to my database. I have my Mongo string here. Uh, Here is my .env. I have nothing much to hide from all of you guys. Uh, there is nothing like that. Okay, it is connecting to my database cluster. Okay, I will check my collections here. Yeah, these four collections which I have right now. So I will retrieve all users data, and I have some users in my database. Uh, so into the model I have added a property like these two modes we have to work on right now. The first one is showing identity, and the second one is anonymous. No is accepting messages, or is that, yeah, we have that mode. So let me check by, I think I have to restart this requestly API. It is not working properly sometimes, so there is nothing to worry about. Okay, no, what the heck is this? Let me open it through. Okay, it is an alternate to Postman, but not working so good as expected from the users. So yeah, it loaded my collection, that is request please. So let me make the API call into the queue. I have the mode directory into this. I have these two modes, so I have to work on this is accepting messages. I will check the switch mode. So for making this API call, I need to get an token for Next.js application. So I will make a login for user. This one, I will use this Wise credentials to make a login to get the token to make a smooth API call. So I think there are some changes here. We need to make some changes. Okay, I need to discard all the changes right now. Okay, so okay, yeah, I need to open the DevTools so I can navigate to the token. Right now don't. I will get a fresh token by making a fresh login, obviously. So I will make an login. Okay, I got this one. I'll copy that and move to the headers, and okay, so right there I have to replace this already written token with the new one. So first we will check that Files is accepting messages or not. Okay, okay, this false. It is not accepting messages right now, so we will make an API call to turn it into true value. So let's see, will it work or not. Okay, there is an issue. I think I have written a wrong API path here. I have to recheck it. So let me check this one. Okay, so API mode I have is accepting messages. Okay, now mode, yeah, and toggle, yes, false or true value. So let's see, already flagged. What into the body I have to change this one flag. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now we have to retrieve it again, so we can check that is our API is working or not. So use. Okay, db, I have db.users.find. Okay, let's see. uh where is files? Files. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the API is turning the status and toggling correctly properly. So now we have to make it call into the front end, and so we can turn the mode into true or false value. So for that I will go to the services section and I will create a new file. Mode is accepting messages. Okay, so I have to write the API uh, with the standard signal, abort signal. Okay, so I will name that function uh, mode is accepting messages. Okay, it's going to be a synchronous function that will take some values like ACCM, that is be a flag value, and a signal to manipulate the API call. Uh, so is accepting messages props. I will create an interface right above it. So it will return just a message. So I have written into the types folder the API response. I will just use it here, and for now it's perfect. Okay, this interface, I'll copy this one and I'll place some ACCM that's value that's going to be a boolean, and for a signal that is going to be a abort signal type. Okay, so I will simply use a try catch block here, and I will take the response from the API. Let me see if I have written the API path into the api.ts. Change mode to toggle. Yeah, I have this one. Okay, so now I have API, and I should use the Axios for making the API call, that is get post method, and using our API endpoint caller I will call the change. Okay, that's great. Okay, that is taking ACCM in body and a signal for excessive modification if we want later. So here I will say if I simply return response dot data. Okay, that error is going to be a type of unknown, and I will say Axios error is equal to error as Axios error. This will import from the Axios library. Okay, and that is going to be the type of API response. So I will make some conditional statements here, like if Axios error dot code error cancelled, return success. Obviously the success will be false. Message request cancelled. uh, okay, if Axios dot code okay dot response return uh, Axios error dot response dot data. That data basically contains this object which have the success and message and other values as well, like stack and error details. So at end I will say return success false message network error. Okay, export mode is accepting messages. That's enough for now. Now I have to make some type of hook for this API response. So I will go to the hook section and I will create a new file for is accepting messages. That is the kebab case file naming, and here I need to use accepting messages mode. That is going to be the name of the hook, and inside it I will take some states. First one for response, whether we got the error or we got the success message. We will use a toast onto the UI so we can basically render the success message, so user can know that their mode can be turned into other field or not. So for that I have to create another state like uh, is accepting messages response or all network set. Yeah, I have to create another Zord application file because I am accepting flag ACCM at the backend, and I have to make it type safe. So for that I have to create an file for making the validation. So uh, I will use PowerShell ISE uh, accepting ts. Let's see. Okay, no, no, uh, mode PowerShell accepting messages, where it is accepting messages is the mode.ts. Okay, So here I'll say import storage z from Zord. Okay, so here I have a CCM schema that is going to be as boolean value. Okay, and export a CCM schema. Okay, that's enough. So uh, get content. Okay, for I will get content for is accepting more. Yeah, I have this. I have successfully written and into the index.ts I have to make an export for an upper level of is accepting messages mode. Okay, so at here I have ACCM schema. Please give me the suggestions so I can easily import ACCM schema from there. Uh, Z dot info type of, sorry, my bad, ACCM schema. Yeah, I got it. And here I have to make some success message and for setting the error message. I will write a clean function which will accept a message of type string, and that basically set is accepting response overall network. Uh, okay, wrap the text into the file boundary, and here I have to use this previous and all the previous content, and success is going to be the message and error is going to be an empty string. So likewise I will write the error setting function. I have was a string message here. So initially the set success is going to be an empty, and error also be going to be an empty string, and I will set the loading state as a true. Set is toggling loading. I will set it true, and here I will check the current controller for dot current. If yes, then I will abort it. So it will make a new API call dot current dot abort. Yeah, and I will assign a new controller by making a new one. Constant controller abort controller. Uh, okay, my printer is working properly, and I will use a try not catch. I will use a try finally block here, so I can turn the state into the false, that it is not loading right now. Set is toggling false, and here I will get the response from the service that I have written right there to the services folder. I created this one, and mm, what is the name? I have to export it uh, as well. So let me just export it from the index file. Mode is accepting messages. Okay, so what was the name for the function? Mode is okay. Await mode is accepting. Uh, it is accepting ACCM. That will be the